The Philippine Department of Tourism held a welcome ceremony for hundreds of Chinese tourists who arrived at Manila's International Airport on Tuesday afternoon.
今天非常高兴，我头一次到菲律宾，我刚下飞机都感受到菲律宾人民的友好和热情，内心当中非常激动。我们准备就在马尼拉，大约有半个多月的旅游行程。我们那边现在这个正好是这个严冬天气，那个确实也挺冷。到这边来之后，真是冰火两重天。我想我们这次的这个旅游啊，也会给我们增加了一个难忘的回忆。
我是打算要去这里很出名的一个景点，就是博拉开。听说他们这里的 White Beach 的，就是那些沙滩那些很清澈，然后我们也有去过，然后想要趁着这次疫情有所缓解，再过来一次。
At the airport, Philippine Tourism Secretary Kristina's Fresco invited more Chinese people to visit the tropical country.
The Philippines is open and ready to welcome our friends from China to continue to improve the relationship between our two nations, which spans millennia. We welcome you to the Philippines, and we cannot wait to let you feel the warmth of the Filipino people and to enjoy our award-winning beach destinations and all other nature-based offerings.
The tourism industry is a key economic driver in the Philippines. The industry's contribution to the country's GDP stood at 12.7% in 2019. Official data showed that over 1.74 million Chinese tourists visited the Southeast Asian country in 2019, an increase by 38.58% from 2018. Chinese tourists spent more than $2.3 billion while vacationing in the country.